I dermapeel every other day. I just refuse to let my skin age. You should start dermapeeling somewhere between 14 and 16 a few times a week. And you should do it the rest of your life. So let me show you how to dermapeel. First, you're going to cleanse your skin. And when the skin is just damp, you're going to use a nice amount of Dermappeal on it for your face. So what you're gonna do is you're going to just let it grip. Now this is phase 1. You're just gonna add some warm water, and what you are doing during phase 2 is you are buffing 5 different forms of vitamin C crystals into the skin. And those vitamin C crystals are brightening, they're anti-aging, they help reduce free radicals. Then you're gonna rinse it off. And it leaves behind phase 3. And phase 3 is essential oils, right? Because we just polish the skin, we want to protect it from exposure to free radicals. Now look at this. This is my almost 60-year-old hand. You see that? No elasticity. The skin doesn't bounce back. It's old, right? Look at the skin. It doesn't even move.